In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Google Drive on a laptop. By the end, you'll have Google Drive for desktop set up so you can easily access your files right from your computer without keeping a browser tab open. This works on both Windows and Mac, and the process is quick and safe as long as you download it directly from Google. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your laptop. It can be Chrome, Edge, Safari, or any modern browser. In the address bar at the top, type google.com drive.download and press enter. This is Google's official download page, which helps ensure you're getting the correct up-to-date installer without any extras. On the page, look for the section labeled Drive for Desktop and click Download. If you are prompted to choose your operating system, select the one your laptop uses. You may also need to accept Google's terms to proceed. The file will begin downloading, and you'll see it in your browser's download bar or in your Downloads folder. If a warning asks whether you trust the file, confirm that it's from Google and continue. Once the download finishes, open the installer. On Windows, that's typically a .exe file. On a Mac, it's a DAMG. Double-click to launch it. If you see a security or permissions prompt, approve it so the installer can make changes. Then simply follow the on-screen instructions. The default options work well for most people, so you can usually click through without changing anything. Installation should only take a minute or two. When it's done, open Google Drive for Desktop. It may launch automatically. If not, you can find it in your Start menu on Windows or in Applications on a Mac. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Enter your credentials and complete any verification steps if asked. After you sign in, Google Drive will connect and you'll see a Drive folder or a Drive letter appear on your computer. This lets you access your Google Drive files right from File Explorer or Finder as if they were local while keeping them synced in the cloud. At this point, Google Drive is downloaded and ready to use on your laptop. You can drag files into your Drive folder to upload them, and anything you add or edit will sync to your Google account across devices. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.